Hello friends, good afternoon. I am making yet another video on the same line as the previous video where I had raised the question how much monthly or weekly return is enough. Let us first define that. Now today I am going to talk about three important skills without which I can guarantee you, no matter how many workshops you do, no matter whether you are a writer of call or you are a seller or a buyer of options, or you trade in futures, or you trade in commodities or equities, doesn't matter. Without these three, one cannot be sustainable or profitable over a long time. There may be moments of brilliance where you will get a lot of profit, but without these three rules, it is impossible to retain the profits. So first and foremost, this is a sequel to my previous presentation. So first let us fix a weekly or monthly target and stop trading for that week or month as soon as that target is achieved. This is the most important and the most difficult skill I find, because when we are winning, it is very difficult to give up trading. If you incur a big loss in a particular trade, that automatically will make you go away from the trading for a while. So exiting after making a big loss is natural, but how many can actually fix a target after achieving that, not trade anymore? This is the most difficult psychological challenge. So in trading I have seen that the hard skills are fine, but these soft skills are going to define in the long run who is going to be successful. So I have set a weekly target for me, for example say 2.5%, which is quite high. Even if I go close to that, I am going to stop from the next week trading that. So suppose I start on Monday, by Thursday I achieve my 2.5% target by whatever means, then I stop, then I take the break on Friday, number one. So I will try to practice that. Second is that this is the more well-known rules. The stop loss should be defined per trade and exit hit. The stop loss is to be defined before entering the trade itself, and depending on the instrument, there cannot be an absolute stop loss. Say for example, if you are selling far out of the money options, then obviously your stop loss will be, you cannot be same as if you are buying or selling futures. So futures are highly leveraged products, so there you cannot keep the same stop loss as in a stock or in far out of the money options. So in the far out of the money options, suppose I am fixing my stop loss per trade to be 1000 per lot, and then for futures I would define to be 50 to 60 points, so 2500 to 6000, so 3000 rupees. So that will also help me to limit the number of trades I take depending upon. So futures definitely I will trade less, because one stop loss hit means 2.5% of my capital gone. So because I am trading with now, in just to test my skills, I am trading now with just a very small capital, which is enough to for trading one lot of Nifty futures. So they're roughly around 1,12,000. So therefore, this should be embedded in the mind. As soon as that 50 to 60 point is hit, on for futures I will exit, and when I am selling far out of the money option, if overall position goes below 1000 rupees, I will exit. So you can fix yours. And the third is book profit regularly. This is of paramount importance in trading options and futures. So unlike in the cash market, here we do not hold the underlying asset, and the profits are very short lived. So there is no point admiring the unrealized gain in the screen, because it is not our until we book it. So let us keep very small targets per trade, keeping in line with the weekly or monthly target. So I find that if you are trading one lot of futures, 30 to 40 points in one go, it should be is a decent target on an intraday basis. And of course, in this case, you have to choose. If you can choose the brokerage schemes wisely, that will be better For example, certain brokerages offer free intraday scheme. So whatever trades you do that day, that there only STT will be charged. So in such cases, if you can find such schemes, I will not name any broker because I have no interest in promoting anybody. So I have one such scheme with a broker called free intraday trade. So in that case, though, you can fix 30 to even 25 to 30 points target in while trading futures. So these three rules I will be practicing again and again, and I am sharing with you because when I speak, my mind also gets programmed. So this is for everybody, and I can guarantee I have tried many things. Without these three disciplines, it will be impossible to retain profits. Okay, if you are a very good trader, then maybe you will make some money, lose it, again make it. So this process will go on. At the end of the several months, you will see that you have wasted a lot of time and your capital is whatever it was, or slightly less, or maybe tad higher. But there is no point comparing. To be honest, some people, and I used to do this, I used to at the end of several months give myself some comfort saying that okay, it is higher than bank deposit. So we are not here to earn. There is absolutely no meaning trading futures and options to earn returns slightly higher than bank deposit. In that case, investment is a far better route. So we want to compound the money. That's why we are trading, and I am sure the trading. Many of us are probably not here just for the sake of entertainment or getting excitement. So in this case, these three rules are going to ensure that we can retain and increase maybe our profit margins. So I'll go practice them. Hope it is of some use to you. Thank you.